Howdy do. I thought I'd show adjusting the horn used on Dodge trucks in the 40s and 50s, civilian and military. This is an Autolite HA-4032-D. Trumpet style, measuring 11 inches from flange to tip. This 6 volt, of course. There's two adjustments. There's the main adjustment, which adjusts the contact gap. And then this adjustment is for the diaphragm. Now, the shop manual says this adjustment may risk damaging the diaphragm, which is true. This screw gets screwed in too much. Pop goes the weasel. There goes your diaphragm. So what I've done is I've screwed the major adjustment as far as I can with just a screwdriver. And then this diaphragm adjustment I've screwed in finger tight. And I reoriented so that the slot is vertical, 12 o'clock position, just for reference. Now what I've found through trial and error is take the diaphragm screw and screw it out a full turn. Now the major adjustment on the contacts, you're supposed to be able to put a voltage to it, and it shouldn't do anything because the contacts are open. Nothing. Okay. So I'm going to undo it a quarter turn. And I'm going to put some voltage. Still nothing. We'll do another quarter turn. Voltage. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. So now I'm just going to undo it, unscrew it about 1/8 of a turn. Voltage. Alrighty. Another 1/8 of a turn. Now we're cooking with gas. We'll tweak it a little bit. As you can see, the vibration has caused this diaphragm screw to rotate. So I'm going to put it back where I had it. Try again. That's pretty loud. One more time. Now, hold these positions, put your lock nut on, and you should be good to go. Now you can play with this, the diaphragm screw, and change the pitch. Let's undo it another quarter. That's no good. Let's put it back up 1/8. That's pretty good. Let's put it back where we had it. A little tighter. Oh yeah. So you can play with it to get the tone that you want. Tighten these down with your lock nuts, and you're good to go. Happy motoring.